Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button for more videos.
Zach the Plotagon Maker 2007 Enterprise Inc. presents. Virtual Guybuddy used the staff vending machine / grounded. Also it was inspired by Leonard the Asian Immersive Lingual Animator 2002, Mr. Muppet fan, RJ Jakobs, Thomas the Charlie the Anteater Master 2003, Justin the Cool Plotagonist, the PlayStation 5 Express, and various users. Yuck, I hate all the products served in the students' vending machines like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute, idea, ding ding, I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome, I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge, and yay, it serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay, I just brought real soda. Oh heck no, I'm busted, it's Principal Henry. Virtual Guybuddy, I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine, did you? Well, you will be really mad, but, yes, I did. Virtual Guybuddy, how dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it, you are suspended for 6 weeks, get out. Virtual Guybuddy, I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only. But Dad, the soda in the student vending machines tasted gross. I don't care. You are grounded for 728 weeks. Go to bed now. Wow.